The increasing demand for personalized printing still promotes the popularity of DTG printing. So, some people still choose DTG printers as their top choice to start or grow textile printing businesses. Meanwhile, manufacturers are constantly launching new and better DTG printers to meet the demands. Hence, this video will introduce DTG-4060II Nova DTG printer to give you a powerful and reliable t-shirt printing solution. DTG stands for direct-to-garment printing, a technology that prints designs directly onto garments. This method ensures sharp details and vibrant colors, perfect for small-batch customization. As demand for personalized apparel continues to rise, DTG printing remains a key player in the garment customization industry due to its fast printing speed and excellent color reproduction. Why is it gaining attention in 2026? 1. Dual station design. This means it can handle 2 print jobs simultaneously, significantly boosting productivity. 2. Advanced printhead technology. Equipped with 4 Brother N24 printheads, it supports higher resolutions, up to 720 by 2400 dpi, delivering finer details and richer colors. 3. Smart ink management system. The built-in white ink circulation system and automatic stirring prevent ink sedimentation and notify you when ink is low or waste ink tank is full, avoiding print failures. This machine not only handles standard t-shirts, but also works with heavy cotton hoodies, sweatshirts, pillowcases, and canvas, making it ideal for expanding your product range and increasing revenue potential. Large order print shops. Dual station efficiency allows you to print more in a day. Growing businesses, easy maintenance, and long standby times. Cost efficiency seekers, stable quality and vibrant color output. The DTG-4060II Nova is a 2026 top choice DTG printer, combining high efficiency, great print quality, and smart control. If you're looking to upgrade your equipment and boost productivity, it's definitely worth considering. Like this video? Please like, comment, and follow us. Want to learn about more printer recommendations? Let us know in the comments.